Hello, dear students. Welcome back to your chemistry class. Hope you all have learned well about the three states of matter, that is solid, liquid, and gas. We have learned the differentiation also and the properties of each and every state. Now, in this video, we will be going to study about the interconversion of three states of matter. Interconversion of three states of matter, it is not a complicated topic. It is very easy. As you all know, conversion is a simple word, means converted, means converting one form to another form, but we are considering about the matter, so here it means changing from one state to another. Let us define the interconversion of the states of matter. Matter can change from one form to another form, that is from solids to liquids to gases, or you can say the phenomena of the change of matter from one state to another and coming back to its original state is known as interconversion of the states of matter. It means when one state changes into another, means like solid changes into the liquid changes into the gas, and again from gas it changes into the solid. It means it comes back to its original state from the, that is the solid. So this process or this phenomena is termed as interconversion of the states of matter. Let us understand this topic with the help of example, that is interconversion of water. If you will see in the diagram, the first is in the beaker it has been kept ice cubes, and we all know because water exists in all the three states. That is why water is considered as the best and the easiest example to understand. That is why I have taken this example also. So the first is water, that is ice cubes, which is the solid state of water. Second, it is water, that is in the liquid state. Third is the water vapor, which is considered as the gaseous state of water. Now let us understand how it changes from one state to another, and like that. So if you will see in the first beaker, that is ice cubes has been kept. If you will heat that ice cubes, what will happen, it will changes into the water, that is the liquid state, and again if you will heat that, it will changes into the gaseous state. That is how the gaseous state, because the water vapor is rising, you can see. If you all not understand, you have seen your mother, or even not your mother, just take a vessel, put some water and put it on the gas. After 10 minutes, you will see that the water starts boiling and the water vapor starts to rise. It means this water vapor is considered as the gaseous state. Now, just cover that vessel with the help of a lid and switch off the gas. What you will see after 2 or 3 hours, when you will put off the lid, you will see on the surface of the lid, you will see the tiny droplets of water. How it is like that? Because as soon as the water, when we heat the water, it changes into the water vapor. But as soon as we have covered with the lid, we have switched off the gas, so within that time it just cools down, and because of that cooling, water vapor changes into the liquid state. Now take that water and just cool it in the freezer or the refrigerator. What you will see, that why, if you, as soon as you will cool, within 3 to 4 hours, you will see that water has been changes into ice. It means from solid, on the heating it has changes into the liquid state, and from the liquid state on heating it changes into the gaseous, and again on cooling it changes into liquid, and from the liquid it changes into the ice, which is considered as the solid state. So here it has been changes from one state to another and come back to its original state. So this phenomena is termed as interconversion of the three states of water. So that is about the next. If we will consider about the next is that matter can change from one state to another when specific conditions change. That means for interconversion, two conditions are required. First is temperature and second is pressure of the substance. Temperature we have just now studied. That is how with the help of temperature on heating and cooling, the interconversion takes place, and pressure